Hello everyone, so today I will tell you about how to use our mini series. It's very fitful for the business trip or travel, and it's very convenient to use. First, just need to press this button for 2 minutes. Yes, it's working. Open this lid, and then you just need to find this light is always on the top. Is the right position, and how to hold it like this. You can hold it like this or hold it like this, and then you just need to put your fingers a little bit harder inside of it. Don't be worried because we have some protections. Yeah, that's all right. Very easy, right? So next, we need to tell you some details about it. We have these two like eyes. It's 3D detectives. So when our skin close to it, it will stop working. Right? And also